we have some impactful news about Ceres. This is Space News. What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Space News. We have news about Ceres, particularly about the number of craters, impact craters, on its surface.
Right, so just as a review, Ceres is the dwarf planet in the asteroid belt.
Right.
It's about a third of the mass of the asteroid belt, so it's pretty important there.
Pretty hefty.
But current observations from the Dawn spacecraft show that there's about 10 times fewer craters on its surface than expected.
Right, so we have these models that we can predict based on how old we think Ceres is, sort of how many impacts we would expect by other meteorites and asteroids and whatnot. And there's a lot less than what we expected there. And one of the theories is for why this is happening is that there actually might be more ice on the surface of Ceres than we expected. So when an asteroid or a meteorite impacts the surface, it reforms a bit because the ice heats up and becomes liquid, and then not totally liquid, but it deforms. But then over time, it can actually reform into its current state of looking resurfaced.
Right, so it would kind of level itself out over time,
right,
because
exactly.
It wouldn't be very rigid.
Right. So if you were just going to take the number of impact craters on the surface of Ceres and try to adapt an age from that, it would look a lot younger than what it actually is.
Much younger.
So it was very interesting. Hopefully when it moves down, when Dawn moves down to its science orbit, we'll actually get a better look at the surface. But they don't expect to see 10 times as many craters.
They don't expect it to be a resolution problem.
Right. So this is going to be exciting because we'll be able to see if the ice, what sort of impacts the ice have on the surface, and get those freaking bright spots more. Yes. Figure out what those are. So it's exciting stuff. Hopefully we'll find out when it actually gets down with its ion engine down to its third science orbit. But otherwise, it's nice to see other dwarf planets getting some attention. It's not just about Pluto, people. Jeez. But anyway, thank you for watching.
Thanks.
We'll see you out there.
Thanks for watching. Like and comment below so we know what kind of content you guys like and want more of. If you want to help support the show, follow the link in the descriptions to buy cool swag related to our show. Thanks.